Welcome once again, my dear friends, to Soggy's Workshop. So, if you are building motorized bikes, then I am sure that you will find yourself with a surplus of these chain guards, and that's because you will receive one with every kit. But of course, we rarely use them. They mostly just pile up and sort of are an untapped resource. Okay, this video may be a solution to both use the resource and improve the aesthetics of your bike. Okay, the first thing I did was hammer the entire piece flat using a hammer and a flat solid surface. I mean, probably the best idea would be to use an anvil, or even on cement would work. Okay, then you can form your chain guard in whatever basic shape you need it to be, and you can do this with a vise, or even just two large pieces of wood with a gap between the two to sort of wedge it in there and shape the piece however you want. Afterwards, you can attach it to your build wherever you like. I myself attached it to the my homemade seat saddle. I applied Bondo, sanded it smooth, and repeated that a couple times until I got it to a satisfying finish. So obviously I applied some masking tape here and sort of gave mine some stripes, and that was just in order to match my design. These chrome strippings here are covering where I screwed it into my homemade seat saddle. Right under these chrome strips. I'm pleased with the way it came out. It takes care of two things. It takes care of that that pile of chain guards that never get used, and it improves the aesthetics of the bike, and you're able to shape it however you want. Me myself, I twisted it this way and sort of flared it out here towards the end. See, flared it out here and twisted that part that way. It was a pleasing shape, and it works with the lines on my build.